Okay, we got ourselves here a 2019 Honda Pilot. What's happening in this little development, which is happening all over the country anyway. Cars are getting broken into at night. So this particular guy wants to make sure that that doesn't happen to him. He went ahead and gave us a call. What we did, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm, because this thing's got the keyless to go. You know how you grab the door and it opens. He really didn't want to have another clicker, and that would ruin the whole point of walking up to the car and opening the doors, and kind of like not even having to press any remote control even to drive or anything like that. That's why this thing works out beautiful, because it adds on to the existing factory alarm. But the problem with these factory alarms, they only work if a thief opens the door or the tailgate or the trunk. Everybody knows that. So what they do, they break a window and jump in without opening any of the doors. They'll take your rims and tires with no need to get inside the vehicle whatsoever. So by adding the shock sensor, it's the end results will be like if I would have installed an aftermarket alarm system. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, and that should fire off the alarm system. This works in all the whole 360 around the vehicle, all the windows. In fact, if somebody bangs on the tires, it will fire off the system as well. And these Hondas, what they like to steal a lot is the airbags, and some of them leave them on 4 brakes and take the rims and tires, like the Honda Accord and the Honda Civics. So I'm going to go ahead and illustrate the tires. That should trigger the alarm. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Fort Lauderdale, and our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video. And yes, we do have free mobile service.